I've got a warning about the new equals Copilot function in Excel. Let's talk about it, let's show you what it does, but be really cautious about this. There's too many people saying, oh, it's transformational, I don't need to learn any formulas anymore. All the formulas I've learned are now redundant. That is just not right, okay? So what is it? It's in the beta channel, it is a function, and you can do stuff like this. So I go equals Copilot, okay, click on a prompt such as create 10 rows of dummy data, or you could just type it in double quotes, comma. I'm saying with these headings, and I'm just going to highlight the inputs. Press enter. Okay, pretty good. All right, so it's done what I want. And if I change this to maybe name, off it goes. And there we go. Okay, pretty cool. Lovely for demos and for training courses and stuff. What I'm struggling with right now is where this actually fits in the real world, especially the business world. Does it have any actual application? I'm not sure. Okay, and then I could go equals cop. Click on that. So list the lead actors in each of these movies. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, interesting. So it's okay, you know, it does that. Also, you've got limited to start off with 100 functions per 10 minutes, I think it is. There's some other limitations. This is one call, one function. All right, but if you referred to just, let's just refer to this cell, okay, and let me $sign this, and then you copy this down, I'll just drag that down, that is like 10 calls, so that's 10 separate calls, so use arrays when you're passing things in if you've got lots of these. Okay, it's cool, it's good demo stuff. So what's a bad use? All right, let's have a look. Okay, I've written a little formula here. Which of these are duplicates in D6 to D11? Okay, B and C. Lovely. Okay, so then I'll just try another B in here. B and C, great. But let me put D and D again. Okay, so now we've got D and C. Let me put a B. Okay, here I've put in A 3 times and it's given me doubles. Now I rewrote the prompt over here. Show me a distinct list of any duplicate values in this range. Okay, and that's just given me A, which is good. Okay, now that doesn't give me duplicates anymore. Let's just go. And there we go. Okay, just given me trues and falses. So it's not reliable, okay? All right, but are there any good use cases? Well, check this out. Are there any spill errors on this sheet? If so, list their cell references. Check this out, there's a spill error there. So, equals cop. Okay, click on this, and here we go. Now that doesn't work, but that would be useful. All right, so word of warning, this formula does not replace any other formulas. Do not use it for a SUMIFS or a COUNTIFS or an XLOOKUP or an index match or a max or a min or a sum. Any reliable calculation, just do not use it. You could use it for sentiment analysis, IMDb rating of these movies. You know, it's good for this sort of thing. Oh, sorry, wrong column. This sort of thing. All right. But if you want something accurate from a business point of view, the real world use of Excel, you're doing analysis that isn't just ad hoc and one-off don't use equals Copilot. If you see anybody saying it replaces Excel formulas, they're wrong. Okay, it's a new feature rolling out in beta channel. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video. And thank you to all of you who have become members recently and those who joined a while ago. Very much appreciated. Hope you get value out of your membership and really appreciate the support. So Matala, Jorge, Nafisat, Jane, Amit, Ben, Olatunji, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Okay, catch you all in the next video.